Hi everyone, I'm Nikcarl and I love comics. Welcome to our creative corner where we'll dive into the wonderful world of comic creation. Now, today we are going to learn how to develop unique and interesting characters for your homemade comic. Are you ready to unleash your imagination? Let's get started. Now, to create fantastic characters, we need to tap into our imagination. Have you ever wondered how your favorite characters are created? Well, today I'll show you how I took inspiration from some popular cartoon characters to make my own unique ones. My first inspiration is Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic is known for his incredible speed and cool attitude. I love how fast Sonic is and how he always stands up for what's right. So, for my character, I want to create someone who's really fast and brave too. What do you like about Sonic? Next, let's talk about Rayman. He's a fun and adventurous character without any limbs. He doesn't need arms or legs to do amazing things, and I want to make a character who has unique abilities just like Rayman. But, and here's the but with a special twist. I took Rayman's hair to create my own character with a similar hairstyle, and I named him Roy Cartman. This character changed over time to resemble somebody who looked more like myself. This was the very first picture of Roy. So now you have your inspiration. Let's begin. Grab your sketchbook and a pencil. And remember, there are no limits to your creativity. I will begin by drawing a simple shape, like a circle or a rectangle. This will be the head of my character. Now, let's give it some personality by adding some facial features. How about some huge eyes? Let's give my character a nose, a beard, and a mouth. The Simpsons, they are a unique and hilarious family. Bart Simpson is my favorite. He's mischievous but also caring. And I want to create a character who's playful like Bart but also has a big, big heart. I do like Bart Simpson's hairstyle. I am going to take an inspiration from the hairstyle and blend it with my own. Next, add some color. A fade and ears. Let's give him a neck, a t-shirt. Give him some arms. Now we're gonna add the shirt. Voila, we've got the foundation of our character. But what makes a character truly unique? Well, it's their personality and characteristics. Let's brainstorm together. Here are some traits to consider. Is your character brave, curious, or funny? Is he or she a superhero, a wizard, or a talking animal? Remember, the possibilities are endless. Saving the world with his art commissions. So that means his special powers could come from his paintbrush. His name is Nikcarl. Yeah. His favorite hobby is skating. The more details you add, the more interesting your character becomes. Okay. Now that we have some traits in mind, let's bring our character to life on paper. Grab your markers, your colored pencils, or any coloring tool you prefer, and color it in. I like to use this fine tip black pen. And last but not least, the hair. Accessories and special details can make your character stand out. Maybe they wear a cape or they have a magical staff. These small additions can make a big difference. And there you have it. An awesome, unique character for your own homemade comic book. But remember, this is just the beginning. Your character will evolve and grow as you continue to write and draw their adventures. Now, yes, I created this character that is completely my own, but remember, being inspired by others does not mean copying them. It means taking things you love and adding your own unique style. Each of my characters have traits that I love, but I've added my own twist to make them special and a little different. No name for this character yet, but she is a super fan of Nikcarl's artwork. This character is Pidgey Da Vinci. This character is Buster, the art thief. This character is Skater Boy, and this character is Skater Girl, the Skater Kids. Today we learned how to develop fantastic characters for our homemade comic. Start with a simple shape, like I started with a rectangle. You could start with a circle. Then add the personality traits and bring them to life with colors and details. Let your imagination run wild. And soon, you will have an incredible cast of characters. Don't forget to share your amazing characters with me. I'd love to see what you've come up with. Stay creative and keep exploring the world of comics. See you next time.